Christina from New to You in Falls Church, Virginia, and today we are going to talk about how to shop consignment. It's not as easy as going to the mall and seeing where everything's already picked out for you. Consignment shopping takes a little bit more creativity and interest. So when you go into a store, you can't just go to your size and think that's all I've got to do. Pretty much what you have to do is start at, let's say, the smalls and just work your way up to the larges and look at each and every piece. It doesn't take as long as it sounds. It can be pretty fast to look at all the items, and that way you can really get a feel for all the different colors as well as the styles. Sometimes you can look at something and you think, ugh, this looks dreadful. I'd never wear this. This is horrible. But the reality is often if you put something on, it can end up looking great on you and horrible on the hanger. And the reverse is also true. It may look really fabulous on the hanger, but when you put it on the body, you look pretty nasty. So keep an open mind and do try things on. We find that the people who look the best and dress the best are the ones that really keep that open mind that I mentioned earlier, and they want to just try something on. It may look like it's a dress, but they may say, well, I'll just leave the snaps open and now I'm going to treat it like it's a jacket and I'm going to put a belt on it. So the other reason that you might want to look at all the sizes is often the sizing is a bit deceptive. So an item may come in and it says that it's a large, but it's really going to fit maybe a size 4. Or something comes in and it says it's a small, and it's actually very large and would fit somebody that wears an extra large. So once you take the time to look through each and every item, you'll end up finding the real bargains and looking your best.